Hello everyone, my name is Sree Krishna. So today we are going to make Flappy the bird game in code.org. So we have to log in into the code.org platform, click on sign in and sign in into your Google account. Okay, scroll down. Okay, click on view full list and click on Flappy. Okay, and I'm going to rename the project as Flappy the Bird Game. Okay. So when run, you must set scene as day, set player as yellow bird, set obstacle as laser, flap normal amount, play wing sound. Okay. 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 And you must set speed as very fast. When clicked, you must play wing sound, flap normal amount. So when you hit the ground, your game will end. And if you hit obstacle, your your bird will crash and your game will end. And if you pass obstacle, you will always score point and you must set the player as random. So let's run our code. So we have completed our game. Thank you.